So definitely we need to go for what here? Remove event listener. Sir, what's the purpose of removing the event listener? First, we will focus here. See here. Remove event listener means it will remove event handler from the element. So see this. I will go to the Google. I will just type you what is remove event listener in JavaScript. So just only for knowledge purpose, remove event listener removes the event handler from an element and for a connected event. For connected event means where we applied. So let me say a remove event listener is used to remove the event handler from an element. Okay, sir, we got an idea. We understood, sir. So we got the clear-cut idea like how we are working with what here remove event listener. So now what I will do next? I will go to the what here next. I will remove this. So now here also what we should do. First, I will add the event listener. Then I will remove here. For example, this is H1 tag. For this H1 tag, I am telling mouse over here. I'm just telling mouse over here. So see this. Let's go here. What is there here? Mouse over here. So here I will take ID. What's the ID name? H over. So what I want to do for this ID, I want to read. So variable y is equal to document dot get element by ID. What's the ID name? H over. For this y, I am telling add event listener. So what I want to add for mouse over function. Function I am writing. Directly I can write the what here? Function name. What's the function name? F1. So let me write function F1. Here I can say. So where I want to display the data I want to do below. BR. I'm taking which tag? Span tag. Not span tag I will take diff tag only. Diff tag I am taking. Here I am taking ID as what here? Result. So I'm telling in result we want to display. So let me read document dot get element by ID. What is the ID? Result. What? Inner HTML. And here I am telling event mouse is mouse over. I'm just writing the mouse over. So see this refresh. Now my mouse is not over. Whenever it is going, what is coming? Mouse over. But there is a problem is there. Remove, again go. Remove, again go. Remove, again go. Any changes? So now what I'm doing, only I'm adding what here? Plus. What I'm adding? Plus is equal to. So now see the beauty with plus equal to. You do refresh, go. Every time what is coming? New line is coming. That is the reason I'm taking in a paragraph. This I'm taking in a what? Paragraph. Why paragraph? New lines will come. Refresh. But I want to stop this event handler. I want to break this event handler. So that's why we need to take what here? Stop. Stop event listener. Sorry, remove event listener we need to take by clicking stop button. So what I'm going to do now immediately, this is the code is already available. Just you need to take, this is yesterday's code only. So here I'm taking one button. What is the button name? Stop. On click. Which function I am taking? Stop. Okay, stop I have taken. Function name also stop. You take F2. If you don't want, you take what here? F2. So go to the F2. Here I can say for which variable? For which variable? Y dot what? Remove event listener. Which event listener we need to remove? Tell me. Mouse over. From which function? F1. Otherwise, you can say function document dot get element by ID. What's the ID name? Result plus is equal to, here I can say paragraph. Mouse out. Something. Click. Anything happened? So here we need to give the name of the function. What's the function name? F1. Refresh. Click. Anything happened? Why? See this. Coming, coming, coming. How many times came? Now what I'm doing? Stop. Above, over, out, over, out, over, out. Any working? So what we did, we removed that one. We removed that one. And if you want to write one message, you can write message for result inner HTML plus is equal to mouse out. Understood everyone? Online people understood till here? Offline
Yes,
people?
sir.
So tell me what event handler we are adding, we are removing the same. For which function? That function. Okay, sir, we got an idea, sir. So like this, we can work with what here, remove event listener we can do. I hope you people understood about JavaScript DOM object. So these are the functions, different functions are there with what here, DOM.